Are you a female attorney that wants to start your own practice? If you do, stay tuned. My name is Erin Field. I'm an attorney in the state of Connecticut with a statewide criminal defense practice. I've been in practice since 1992. I also have a book on Amazon called Justice is a Lady Lawyer, and I coach female attorneys in all phases of their careers. So one of the things that you may be tempted to do, or you're actively thinking about it, or you've already started it, but you're coming across some roadblocks, is starting your own practice. So let me just start by saying, you got this, okay? You don't need to worry about this. All you have to do is just be dedicated, make sure this is your goal. It doesn't take that long, but some people are faster at it than others. So if you want to start your own practice, which I have done, I've had my own practice since 2004. I've also worked in a firm. I worked for the government. I worked at a corporation, and I used to be a freelancer for a bunch of attorneys. So I've been in the system for a long time. I can certainly assist you with starting your own practice, but some just practical pointers right off the bat. Know where you want to practice. Know your location and know your practice area or areas. And pick a place. If you want to be in New York City, pick the street. If you want to be in Boston, pick the street. If you want to be in Des Moines, Iowa, pick where you want to be. Start with location, because your location does matter. You have to be somewhere. People always ask me, where is your office? I have 3 offices. I have one in Enfield, Connecticut, one in Hartford, Connecticut, and one in New Haven, Connecticut. And so I didn't start out that way. I just started out with one office in West Hartford, and I grew my practice from there. So if this is something you're doing and you want to learn what you need to do, because there is a lot to do, you got to have the right accounts. You got to make some connections. You have to know some people. You have to be friendly. If you're not friendly, we're going to talk about that, because if you're an introvert, you may not want to start your own practice. But if you're not, and you're just a regular person who's a lawyer, and you want to get yourself out there and get yourself going, and you know what you want to do, and you're pretty sure where you want to do it, or you're not sure of any of these things, but you just know that you want to start your own practice, I hope you would consider working with me. I've had my own successful practice for the last 16 years in the state of Connecticut. I'm sure that I can give you practical pointers. If I'm not the right coach for you, I'm going to tell you that. And one of the good things about working with me is I'm actually a lawyer. A lot of the coaches out there are not practicing attorneys. And I'm just wondering how in God's name they coach lawyers. But that's just my little question mark. I hope I hear from you, and have a great day.